Yo, welcome back to Jayden. Today we got another comment. Let's go. We're basically here at the old house, basically. Of course, it's just one comment, which is okay. I still accept the one comment and everything else, so that's pretty cool. Okay. Grab this. Boom. 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 Interesting. Did I spell your name correct? No, not correctly. I'm sorry. Bam. Of course, it won't find a full sign, but yeah. Pretty much that's what we got. Obviously, we're gonna go back to the world and probably mine. That's because you saw the title. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go Minecraft. We're gonna go to the caves. We're gonna go to the caves. Sworn upon the title, totally. Alright guys, see you there. Yo, we are back. Welcome back to Jayden. Today I'm gonna show you some things what I build off camera, and yeah. So guys, so make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share, and turn on those notifications. Before we do, this video is gonna be a little bit short. So, but okay, so while I was exploring, but first I'm gonna pun these guys. I'm gonna just do that very quick, if you don't mind. So basically, obviously we have the book and quill. It's nothing in it, but we're gonna fill that in the next. While I was doing this, I've got a horse. Yeah. But I also made a pig farm. Not pig farm, but like that. Then down here too. I made a little apartment for our horse. Of course, has nothing in it because it needs water. Here it is. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Bro, what happened to the leash? Dog. And here it is. You get in here. Get in here. Really? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I didn't realize horses also can double jump. No, yeah, back here. Give me a minute. We are back. I made a lot of adjustments. Because, well, I don't want the horse to escape. So, yeah, I made some adjustments. So, yeah. And somehow the horses keep getting stuck. I don't know how that's possible, but it is. Of course, I built some little windows. So, the thing, and the horse can look out. So my concern is if the horse can escape. I don't think it can, but just in case, because I don't want to. There. And then let me show you my pig little thing. Just gonna throw these down there. Actually, I might keep them just in case. But yeah, I built this little farm for a pig. Let me know what should I name the pig and the horse. I'll probably put in a thing. So, cause I can probably find like name tags. And we go like mining and everything else. So yeah. It's pretty much we've been doing this. We were gonna go. Also, I made some things. So. We can do this. Yeah, we can do this. Make our own farm, I guess, even though we have like a lot of food, but still. At least we can like wrap it up to 10, I guess. I'm gonna do it, I say, probably like right here. But actually, no, it's right here. Right here. This area. So it's gonna be right here. Say that's the max. I'll just probably name this like Jayden made a farm. Because we technically did. It's 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3. Give me a minute. Alright guys, we just made our farm and we're gonna we can keep one here. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Please make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and everything else. Alright guys, peace out.